Good morning, you gorgeous people. It's Rachelle from Monolink Furniture in blue sky but very chilly Sydney. Today I'm not very happy. I'm going to be looking at refurbishing this piece. Let me talk you through it. So this is a piece that I did a few weeks back and I love it. I'm not going to lie, I absolutely love it. And if I had enough rooms in my house, I would be keeping it. It's green, sold, obviously, on me. But I've had only one person of interest and then they fell off the face of the earth. So rather than buying more furniture and having this stocked up there, waiting and dropping the price. I mean, it's only been about 4 weeks, but that's not right. For me, that's a long time. So I'm going to do something with it. At the moment, it's waxed. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it. What I'm thinking at this point is that I'm going to sand the drawers back here. So I think this may be the stencil, as much as I love it, it's going to reduce your market. I can't go, probably wouldn't go into a boy's room. So things like that. But what I'm thinking I might do is just sand the drawers raw, the front panels. So you can see that they've got this raised panel. So I think I'm going to first off just look at sanding those back raw and see how we look, because that's quite an easy transition. If I then think I need to do more, then I'll take the wax off. Sorry, I'm talking and thinking. I don't usually do that, you just talk without thinking. Anyway, I'm thinking out loud because I don't know what I'm going to do. I love it, so it's really hard for me to make changes to it. But anyway, let's get these drawers out and I'm going to sand them and we'll go from there. Right, I've decided that the green has got to go. As much as that kills me to say it, I just have to appreciate that not everyone loves green as much as I do. And I need to go safe. This is a big piece, I need it gone. So, firstly I need to get the wax off, so I'm going to be using Nor Glass Nor Clean. I need gloves with this. I'm not going to go into anything technical, but it's blue. So to me, I don't know if you can see that. That tells me I need gloves. Anything blue, I'll put gloves on for. Right. You can also use mineral spirits for this, I believe. I just prefer this. It works fast. And you can see it working because it actually goes down to you can see some of the paint coming off quite quickly, usually. Let's see if that happens here. So, can you see the blue? No, you can't. So literally just wipe it over there and you can see there's some paint coming off, so that you know straight away that that wax is coming off because you've gone down to the paint. So I'm just going to go all over this to do this. I'm not going to need to sand then because obviously it's already prepped. I'd already done all that. I'm not going to strip the existing paint off because I think that's a step too far. No one wants to do that. And as yet I haven't decided what colour, but I'm thinking black. The safest bet would be white, but we all know that's not going to happen. I'd rather burn it. Dead set, I'd rather burn it. I'm terrible, aren't I? Right, So I'll get on with this. Look at me in my PJs. It's no different, is it? But this is my winter PJs. Look at them. I love these. It's like one of those, what are they called? Not snuggles. Another name I'm making up. Right, anyway, I'm gonna get on with stripping this off and I'll come back when I've decided what I'm gonna paint it. Yeah, I'm a bit slow today. Right, the wax is all off, drawers are all sanded and the top is sanded. Now I'm still unsure what I'm going to do with this wood. Now the reason that I painted it initially is because it had these little indentations all over. So I'm going to have to find a way to work with that rather than trying to hide it. So again, I'm just going to sit back and have a think about it. This is all new to me, thinking. Right, decision made. I'm going to go with Dixie Belle Midnight Sky chalk mineral paint. I still haven't decided what I'm going to do with the tops yet. I'm thinking I might go with a wax, maybe a white and a black wax, I'm not sure. Okay, let's give this a good stir. Right, I'm just going to go for it on this and then I'll sand it back afterwards. It's a really nice colour. If you've seen my previous videos, I did the vinyl chair in Midnight Sky, which I kept. Can't keep this one. I literally don't have anywhere to put it. If I was going to keep this one, I wouldn't be repainting it because I loved it already. Right, so I'm just going to carry on. I'm anticipating this is going to be 2.5 coats. It's usually what I base it on. So when I say a half coat, it's just my touch-up coat, where I just go around and look for spots that I've missed. So painful painting over green. What's wrong with people? Why didn't people buy it immediately? Right, I'll get stuck in. I will be back when I've got my 2.5 coats on the entire piece. Right, I'm going to bring you along in my experimenting like I usually do. I've got you a bit of a way because if I get closer the lighting just goes terrible. Right, so I've got lined up here Dixie Belle Best Dang Wax in clear, black and white. Let's just see. First of all, I'm going to put clear on, just so it gives me movement with anything else that I put on top. Don't be shocked like I am every single time I open it, as I think it's white. It does look white in there. It's not white. I'm using my Lignacolor wax brush. Right, so I'm just going to do a draw. If it turns out crap, I can just redo it. Dog hairs. Didn't even start. How does she get there? I prefer to use a brush rather than a cloth because I get dog hairs on it, a cloth. But it seems Bailey's found a way to get into my brush too. I'm not worried about going over because I'm going to be sealing it in wax anyway. So now all that means is whatever I put on top, I can get it back off. This will act as an eraser. Plus if I need to, I can just sand this right back. It's no biggie. I'm putting a lot on so that I've got plenty of movement. Right, now I'm going to go with a bit of black. I don't know what my plan is here, guys. I don't know. I just need a way to make things like this groovy look okay. So I'm just disguising it somehow. I'm not loving it so far. There's a cloth. Heat more on it. I'm not looking for a really smooth finish because that's not going to disguise I was going to say indiscretions then, indentations and things. Hayley, I don't have to ban her from my workshop. It's the only way. Right. Now I'm going in with the white. Is this white? Yeah, so this is the white. Oh, I bloody love white wax. I'm not going to lie. Now I'm going to want white wax on everything. I'm not getting anywhere that I want here. That's not hiding anything. I don't mind it, but it's not going to hide anything. It's just changing the colour a bit. I'm trying to get away from having to dry brush or anything. I want this quick. Right, I'm going in with black again. Maybe I should just paint more black. Be done with it. Okay, now I'm getting somewhere. You don't get much more stupid than that. Turn the brush over, Rach, idiot. Right, okay. What do you think, guys? Am I losing the plot? At some point you have to stop, don't you? And walk away. I've been good at walking away today. I think I've lost that skill at the moment. So what I'm doing is wiping it in areas so I'm getting a bit stripy. That's what I want to achieve. I don't want it all perfect. I don't know how I'm going to repeat this on another one. Let's be fair, I'm making it as I go along. Oh, I don't know. Sometimes things just work. Look at this. I bloody love it. I've done the top. Oh, I don't know if you can see because of the light. So basically I've just layered, it's actually mostly clear and black. And it's given me this driftwood look. It's perfect. It's exactly what I needed. Oh, that's made my day better. And she's finished. Do you like my new lounge, by the way? It's my chill zone lounge. I got it minutes ago. I was going to refurb it. Kept it, you know. I love it. I'm not going to lie, I love it. Let's just assume that my aim was to create a driftwood effect, because that's what I got. Just with some layering of waxes. I really wasn't in the mood for painting today, and that's not like me, but I'm cranky. I'm kind of miserable, definitely cranky. But anyway, it's done, and I really like it, and I think it will sell quickly now, and that's the important thing. It's all very well painting things that I like all the time, but at the end of the day, it's a business, and I need to make money out of it. Have a great day, have a great evening, wherever you are in the world. Like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz, and I'll see you next time. Take care, guys.